Welcome to QLC online video tutorials. We will talk about our new feature in FieldSense which help you to get the report of forms on specified email IDs at your scheduled time. I'm assuming you are aware what is a form in a FieldSense. Suppose you have created one form to verify the address of your customer. The form name called address verification. You have filled all the required details and added some components like you want to capture your customer name, address, their mobile number, email ID and image of house as well. And once your form will be ready, henceforth the form will get filled by the field personnel in their app, and to fill in the app they need to go to the forms. Under forms they will get their list of added forms, and which form they would like to fill they need to select and fill the required details. They can submit, and if it is permitted then they can fill the same form from the web panel as well. To go to the form section, can need to click on fill form, select the form, fill the required details and submit, and you will get the report of that data in a row column format. You can extract the data on a FieldSense web portal under form section, and if you want to export this detail in Excel format then simply click on save as CSV. All this detail will get downloaded in an Excel sheet and you can view the data in Excel format as well. But suppose if you can get this report automatically on your email ID, then it would be great, right? So we have come up with the solution. Now while creating any new form under form section or for any existing form, you can activate a new setting that is called activate form summary on email. What does it mean exactly? You can get the daily report of that particular form on specified email IDs and time. Let's see how to enable this setting. So this is the setting, but I'm going to enable for existing form. So I'm going to select the form, and under this form there is an option activate form summary on. So to enable this setting, simply check this setting like this, and then you will get two options. The first option is email ID, where you need to specify the email IDs where you like to receive the report of this form, and maximum 3 email IDs you can enter in this section, and your each email ID should be separated by comma, and then you can define the receiving time as well, and the format will be for 24-hour clock. Let's see. So like I have entered some email IDs, 2 email IDs there, and these email IDs are separated by comma, and I have specified the time, that is 19, so means 7 PM in a evening. And after setting gets done, you need to update these details. You can scroll down and need to click on update button, so the changes will get updated. So after updating these settings, what will happen exactly? You will start receiving the report of those forms on specified email ID and time. A thing which I would like to clear is a day when you enable these settings and set time will be already passed away, then you will get the report on a next day at the specified time. Otherwise you will start receiving the report from the same day, which will be a cumulative report for the same day only. So we will understand with the example. Suppose you are enabling this setting on 11th of Jan 2021 in the evening 8 PM, and the schedule time for the form is 7 PM in the evening. That means 7 PM is already passed away because you are setting this time at 8 PM on the same day. So in this case you will start getting the cumulative report from the next day, that is 12th Jan 2021, and for that particular day you will receive the report at 7 PM in the evening. But suppose on the same day you are enabling this timing at 9 AM in the morning, then what will happen in this case? In this case you will start getting your cumulative report of the form from the same day, because this 7 p.m. was not passed away when you were setting this time 7 p.m. because at 9 a.m. you have enabled this setting 7 p.m. so you will start getting the report from the same day. So I'm mentioning the date is just for your understanding. There is no use of date while enabling this setting. Alright, after enabling this setting successfully, you will start receiving the report on your email ID at scheduled time, and mail seems like this. You can extract the attached report and you can view in an Excel sheet as well. And I hope the usability of this feature is clear to you. Thank you for your valuable time. For any further assistance or regarding any suggestion, you can write us a mail on support@qlc.in. Thanks for watching.